Hello students, now today's our topic is the division of a history. Okay, history is divided into three period, which is the prehistory, protohistory and the history. Okay, let's first we are discuss prehistory. Okay, what is prehistory? Prehistory is a period of history when man did not know how to write. We get knowledge about the prehistoric times through archaeological sources. It means the prehistory is include the time when the written records had not been invented, and the knowledge of prehistory is based on a archaeological source. Now the next is a protohistory. What is it? See that. Protohistory is a period between prehistory and history when man did just started to record events. This is the period between the two where man began recording the events. Okay. However, this ancient script have not been deciphered so far. Deciphered means समझना. Although this ancient script had not yet been deciphered, मतलब ancient script का अब तक कोई अर्थ नहीं निकाला गया था. So we depend on the archaeological source which is proof information about this sources. Then इसके लिए archaeological source के ऊपर से उसकी information पूरी depend थी. This information include the society, religious, lifestyle, etc. But the script remain a mystery till death. This is the information included, but the script remain a mystery till death. But the script here remains so far a mystery. Now the next is history. History is that phase when the writing skill was acquired and writing records about the different cultures appeared, which gave a lot of informations. It means history is a time when the writing was adopted to skills and writing records about the different cultures, giving a lot of informations. The writing was done on pillars, rocks, walls, copper plates, palm leaves and the bark of birch trees. Okay, this is the writing was done. It means the period history is the period after invention of a writing. Okay, many of this writing records were lost, बहुत सारे lost हो गए और destroy. But whatever has been excavated means digging are rich sources of informations. Means जो बहुत सारे रिकॉर्ड्स थे जो एक्सकवेटेड मतलब नीचे ज़मीन से खुदाई से मिले, एंड दिस इज़ अ रिच सोर्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशंस. दिस इज़ अ हिस्ट्री. नाउ आवर टॉपिक डिवीजन ऑफ हिस्ट्री देयर इज completed. Okay.